Welcome to the JICA Nepal team in Devbhoomi, Himachal. An 11-member delegation from JICA Nepal arrived in Himachal Pradesh on February 18, 2025 for a 4-day visit to inspect the outstanding work being carried out under the JICA forestry project. On February 19, 2025, the team reached the project management unit in Shimla, where Chief Project Director and Head of Forest Force Mr. Sameer Rastogi, along with Project Director Mr. Shresthanand Sharma, warmly welcomed the representatives. The visiting JICA Nepal team included Under Secretary Government of Nepal Meghraj Paudal, Forest Officer Nirmala Singh Bhandari, Conservation Officer Shailendra Chaudhary, Senior Forest Officer Safalta Shrestha, Rajesh Pokhral, Hari Bahadur Thapa, and Sagar Khanal, Research Officer Prateek Pandya, Deputy Engineer Lakshmi Subedi, Project Coordinator Mayuko Okutogowa, and Associate Project Manager Bidya Pokhral.
The Nepal representatives were felicitated with the traditional Himachali cap and shawl prepared by Project's SAG under Him Tradition brand.
Chief Project Director Mr. Sameer Rastogi introduced the JICA Nepal team to the various activities being carried out under the project in Himachal, leaving the visitors delighted.
Program Manager for Forestry and Biodiversity Dr. Kaushalya Kapoor and Subject Matter Specialist for GIS and MIS Mrs. Disha Gautam briefed JICA Nepal's Project Coordinator Mayuko Akutagawa about the ongoing project being implemented through the Japan International Cooperation Agency. Following this, the team visited the Radhe Krishna Self-Help Group in Ghanati, where they appreciated the group's pine needle-based products. The JICA Nepal representatives then explored the hydroponic pilot project site in Nalhatti, where DMU Shimla's subject matter specialist Yosha Solanki briefed them on hydroponic techniques. The team then visited the Monkey Sterilization Center in Tuticorin, where they gained detailed insights into the sterilization process of monkeys. On this occasion, Wildlife Shimla's Forest Division Officer Mr. Shahnawaz Bhatt and veterinary doctor Dr. Namita provided a comprehensive overview of the sterilization procedures used to be followed in the operation theatre. On the evening of February 19, the JICA Nepal team visited the Himalayan Forest Research Institute in Panthagati. The institute's scientist Dr. R.K. Verma addressed the delegation and welcomed them. Scientist Dr. Pitambar Negi introduced the visitors to all the activities of the institute. On February 20, the team reached the Shimla Water Catchment Wildlife Sanctuary in Dhali, where they enjoyed the natural scenery and captured the forest rest house built in 1901 under the British rule at Siog on camera.
Afterward, the delegation visited the Himalayan Nature Park in Kufri, where they observed wildlife amid light snowfall. Chief Project Director Mr. Sameer Rastogi and Project Director Mr. Shresthanand Sharma held a review meeting with the JICA Nepal representatives regarding their 2-day Shimla visit. On the morning of February 21st, the JICA Nepal representatives toured the Kamdhenu Hitkari Manch in Namhol, where the organization's board member Mr. Jeetram Kondal detailed the journey of Kamdhenu from a small NGO to a recognized brand. The team then visited the resin and turpentine factory in Bilaspur, where General Manager Mr. Sukalp Sharma welcomed them and provided insights into the factory's production process. The delegation gained detailed knowledge about the factory's products and operations. In the afternoon, the team arrived at the Suket Forest Division, where retired Himachal Forest Service Officer Mr. Ved Prakash Pathania and ACF Suket, Mr. Munish Rangra, provided in-depth information on preventing forest fires. Following this, the delegation visited the Himachal Pradesh Forest Academy in Sundarnagar, where Joint Director Mr. Subhash Parashar and the Academy staff extended a grand welcome.
On this occasion, Mr. Subhash Parashar briefed the guests about the Academy's activities. After an interactive session, they took photos at the Academy's selfie point. On the final day of the Himachal tour, the JICA Nepal team visited the Himachal Pradesh Forest Development Corporation's Himkashta depot in Dhanutu. Divisional Manager Mrs. Preeti welcomed the representatives and provided a detailed overview of timber sales and revenue generation thereof. Divisional Manager Sundarnagar Mr. Kamal Jaswal also engaged in the discussions with the delegation and guided them on a tour of the depot area. The team then arrived at the Village Forest Development Society in Thala, where Society President Mr. Suresh Rana addressed the delegation and shared insights into income generation activities. The representatives highly appreciated the aloe vera farming initiatives undertaken by the Saraswati Self-Help Group.
Subsequently, the JICA Nepal team attended an event in Ropadi where Forest Division Officer Mr. Rakesh Katoch extended a warm welcome. Mr. Rakesh Katoch briefed the JICA Nepal members and representatives from 8 self-help groups on the collaboration between the Forest Department and the JICA Forestry Project. The JICA Nepal team members observed various natural products created by different self-help groups and praised the hard-working women behind them. During the event's conclusion, JICA Nepal's Associate Project Manager Mrs. Bedya Pokhrel also addressed the gathering. She expressed her gratitude to Chief Project Director Mr. Sameer Rastogi and his team for the warm hospitality extended to them in Himachal Pradesh. Ms. Mayuko Akutagawa, Project Coordinator of JICA Nepal, said that they have seen many initiatives in Himachal that they would like to follow in Nepal as well. Mr. Meghraj Podal, Under Secretary of the Government of Nepal, said that the Himachal visit was unforgettable for them. The work being carried out under JICA in Himachal is commendable. Mrs. Bedya Pokhrel, Associate Project Manager of JICA Nepal, said that their team witnessed excellent work by JICA in Himachal, which they would like to implement in Nepal too.
For detailed information, please contact Chief Project Director, JICA Forestry Project, Tutu, Shimla 11, Himachal Pradesh. Our telephone number is 0177 2837 217 and 0177 2838 217. Our email ID is cpdjica2018hpfd@gmail.com. You can follow us on our website jicahpforestryproject.com. We are also on social media handles like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and X. Thank you.